TNT continues to make noise as we enter 50th season of the PBA. And this time, it's all about solidifying their backcourt identity. Let's start with Gio Halalon, the bus driver. The Cyclone is officially TNT bound, and this move makes perfect sense. Halalon's known for his relentless defense and tempo control, qualities that fit perfectly with Chot Reyes' system. TNT already has Raynam Batak, RR Pugoy, and the veteran Jason Castro, so adding Gio gives them a true defensive tone setter. In the last few years, ito yung biggest issue ng TNT, yung consistency at the point guard spot whenever Castro sits out. So Halalon immediately solves that. He can pressure the ball, push the pace, and still orchestrate the offense without being a ball dominant. So think of it as TNT modernizing their tropa style. So more two-way guards, more versatility, and less dependent sila sa iisa lang na playmaker. And then there's Almon Vosotros, who signed a one-conference deal. Vosotros might not up a huge numbers, pero yung value niya sa spacing and locker room presence sobrang taas. Remember, he came in mid-season last year and helped TNT reach the finals. With Castro still sidelined until mid-season, Vosotros shooting and veteran IQ will help maintain rhythm, especially sa early part ng conference. So, kung isipin mo, pairing with Halalon and Vosotros gives TNT flexibility. Isang high motor defender, isang floor spacer. So, parang yin-yang yung guard rotation nila. Now, shifting to Titan Ultra, the new team making steady moves to complete their identity. After bringing in James Martinez, they've now signed RV Bringas at age 35 to finally make his PBA debut. Bringas is an old school enforcer, someone who can bang inside, set hard screens, and do the dirty work. Hindi man siya flashy, pero Titan Ultra clearly wants physicality. They're building a team that can compete in the trenches, not just rely on finesse. So, for a debuting franchise, so tingnan natin kung okay siya. You need veterans who know how to play sa ilalim and maintain composure when the game gets gritty. So, bring us addition, hindi na siya headline grabbing, pero maturity and muscle yan sa front court. Lastly, Stephen Holt signing a 3-year extension with Barangay Ginebra shows commitment on both ends. Holt's rookie year proved na he's a legit two-way guard. So, ginagawa muna siyang forward. So, averaging solid numbers while guarding the opponent's best perimeter player. With Jamie Malonzo now na nasa Japan. So, yun nga, yung role ni Holt is may expand. So, expect him to be more aggressive offensively, especially sa transition game ni Coach Tim Cone. So, Holt gives Ginebra that much needed balance between scoring and playmaking. He's not just a defensive guard anymore. He's evolving to a potential franchise cornerstone. So, in the bigger picture, TNT, Titan Ultra, and Ginebra are all moving with clear intent. TNT's fortifying their backcourt depth for a title run, and Titan Ultra adding veteran grit for stability, and Ginebra locking in Stephen Holt for 3 more years. So, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Egan Hoops. See you in Araneta. Bye-bye.